what I really deserve. Try not to think so much about the curveball you've thrown. It's mind-bending to believe after all this time we haven't even grown. Try to leave me now, it doesn't really even matter. I've been going through it so long, it only makes me madder. Time has flown by and I'm feeling sadder. I'm down in this low place, I need a ladder. Why do I keep dreaming when all they do is get shattered? Like shutters during a storm, I get buttered. I was thinking the other day, but that doesn't matter. My day has turned around, I can finally hear a sound. I scream, the river pounds, I'm submerging sorrows, I drown. Goes in and out in my ears. I gave you everything and put your life into gear. Don't hate me for keeping us going for years. If you don't care, then why are you really here? All of your lies goes in and out in my ears. I gave you everything and put your life into gear. Don't hate me for keeping us going for years. I'm hearing that you're feeling, still dreaming same way as me. I'm believing that you're leaving, stop pretending that you want this to be. I'm still waiting while you're playing, I'll start praying. You see, you keep on changing but keep on saying with today and that you're still in love with me. Why keep chasing and keep facing? Mind is racing, time is wasting on me. It may seem random but we're tandem, overwhelmed with anxiety. Left me all alone, now I'm on my phone to play this song for society. Whoa. For keeping us going for years. Here I am, here I go, somewhere hot on a float with my boo. She's the goat on a cruise, big ass boat. My bae is here, but just for now. Sometimes you disappoint me, that's when I feel down. I keep pushing, you keep hushing, I get nothing. Is this how it's supposed to be? I will stay here until you're more clear, so we can make